Hey guys, we got a gaming computer in the lab today. The issue with this computer is that it's not displaying for the customer on the monitor. So I've got this all hooked up. We're going to go ahead and run some tests and see if we can get this thing to display. So let's go ahead and hit power. And let's hop over to the monitor and see if this computer populates for us. Alright, so let's see what comes up on the screen. Okay, so it's coming up as a no signal, so this is exactly what's happening for the customer. So let's take a look at the hardware components inside the computer, see what we can find. Okay, so let's take a look inside. And right away, the thing that stands out to me is the fact that there are two different types of RAM in this computer. So this might actually be what the problem is. One of these RAM sticks has failed and causing the computer to no longer post. Alright, so I'm going to swap out this RAM for brand new RAM and see if that works and if we can get this computer to display for us. Alright, so here's the two sticks of RAM that I removed from the computer. They are both different. So I ended up replacing the RAM with Corsair Vengeance RAM, RGB RAM, so that's right there. So we're going to go ahead and power on this computer, hop over to the monitor, and see if this resolves the issue and we can get this computer to display. Okay, and here we are on the monitor, and the computer's coming up perfectly fine. So I guess the issue was bad RAM. So I'm going to go ahead and do some basic maintenance of the operating system, like take care of driver updates and Windows updates. The customer did install a new graphics card, so the slight bit of distortion we're seeing with the date and time and the rest of the screen will be resolved once we get those updates taken care of. Alright, so all the Windows updates have now been installed. The drivers have been installed for the new graphics card, and we can take a look and see how things are no longer distorted and in their proper form. Alright, so that's going to conclude this service order. We were able to get this computer to display, so at this time, this service order is now complete.